especially a man of my age.
My caring wife tried her best to cheer me up by pointing out that Demi Moore also lost both her front teeth, but this old dog wouldn't bite. I felt terrible.
Little did I know I was about to embark on a life-changing journey.
And I was shocked to discover 3 secrets the dental industry is hiding from you to leave you hopeless and at their mercy. Number 1, the root cause behind bleeding gums. 9 out of 10 people have this figured out all wrong. Number 2, an unexpected method to reignite the life force in your gums in order to give you natural, titanium-rooted teeth from top to bottom. A method that completely protects against gingivitis and periodontitis. And number 3, the shocking truth about implants and what you need to do to keep them away from falling and creating life-threatening bacteria in your mouth.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,
You can invest 4 minutes in your dental health today. I'll reveal why, despite being a fanatic about your oral health, you still might be having problems with your teeth.
The crushing reality is this. Most treatments and dental procedures completely ignore a deadly bacteria that's continuously at work in the pockets of your gums. Left unmanaged, this bacteria creates a snowball effect, leading to health complications including chronic dental disease, tooth decay, hypertension, cardiovascular disease, brain disease, and even diabetes. Your dentist will most likely claim that they have the most advanced cleaning treatments to destroy these gum-eating bacteria completely. But what he won't tell you is that they only work on the surface. What about the more lethal bacteria that's mocking traditional medicine? Bacteria that eat deep at your roots, behind the scenes, even when your teeth seem 100% fine on the outside.
Pay attention to me, and starting today, you'll see all your dental problems with a fresh set of eyes and a definite solution to each.
The World Health Organization estimates 90% of the Earth's population faces dental problems, and 30% already lost at least one tooth. But don't worry though. Today, you'll get everything you need to wave your pestering dental problems goodbye forever. And you can start immediately from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're young or old, whether you think your teeth are beyond saving, and whether you have a chronic medical condition or a family history of bad teeth, you'll laugh when faced with the dental industry and its lies. And you won't have to spend a fortune or put yourself at risk of uncertainties, invasive surgery, or implants. In fact, this 30-second routine is so powerful and quick-acting, renowned experts call it the lost art to perfect teeth. Believe it or not, within just a few minutes you'll have a crystal clear clarity and know beyond a shadow of a doubt just how game-changing this routine really is. So please, don't spend another cent on expensive implants, invasive surgeries, and uncertain dental procedures until you watch this video to the end. First things first, you should know that implants placed on your gums are choked by latent and lethal bacteria. They seem to stay still and strong for a while until they don't. I'll prove it to you in a second. Starting today, you'll be able to halt, reverse, and rediscover what it feels like to have strong, beautiful-looking teeth and a captivating smile without stepping a foot in your dentist's office. Picture this. No more swollen gum pains or bad breath. No more annoying dental infections. No more risky and painful surgeries. No more bone loss in your teeth. And no need to spend thousands of dollars on implants or other dental procedures. Now, you can enjoy life with strong, healthy, white teeth for the rest of your life. Dig into your favorite meals wherever you want, whenever you want. Become the architect of your own smile. And renew your confidence in social settings, while also receiving exciting compliments for the one thing you used to feel so self-conscious about, your smile.
And I'm not asking you to believe me. Take it from Amy.
49, San Luis.
I always take good care of my teeth, brushing, flossing, mouthwash, dental checkups, but I still suffered from an unnerving pain when brushing and an electric feeling in my teeth when I ate. I never thought I'd get rid of it until I tried this ritual, and it really works. It's the only way I've gotten rid of dental sensitivity. Thanks.
Or David.
My gums were red, swollen, and bleeding every time I brushed. I had bad breath and my teeth were yellow. In just 30 seconds a day, I got rid of all these problems. My gums are now clean and healthy, and my teeth seem whiter than before. This ritual really works, and the results are quick.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,